tidings. Oh, good tidings are these indeed. Dirty tidings from Memorial Bridge and the Susquehanna River. All right. Bagging up, dude. Yeah, check those bridges out. They're pretty cool. That's the Hager Bridge. We're crossing the Susquehanna right now. We came into the storm cell. Little squall, bit of a squall. But check that bridge out. It's pretty cool. Up here by Conowingo Dome. And you can see it way up in the distance.